Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to create a workflow in HubSpot. So basically what you're gonna have to do, in the left panel, select object based to select your workflow object. This determines what type of records can be enrolled in the workflow. When creating a workflow from scratch, you can select from the following objects. As you can see, you have contacts, companies, quotes, ticket, and other objects. And then in the right panel under choose type, select your workflow type. So you have blank workflow, scheduled workflow, or specific date or contact date property. And basically what you're gonna have to do is simply choose any of these and then simply click next. Click the pencil icon to give your workflow a name and add a description, or use the HubSpot artificial intelligence to generate a description for your workflow, and then simply click generate and then click save. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.